All right, good morning, folks. We are up, suited up, booted up. We got our rain gear on because we got lots of rain in the forecast. We are headed to Tampa today, starting our 10-day road trip. So stay tuned. Filling up for the road. So, let's see. It's wet and it's dark out. And we're getting ready to hit the road. We got our rain gear on, as you can see. We have this on back there. We're ready. So we're headed to Tampa, y'all. We are headed to Tampa. Actually, our first stop will be in Pensacola. Leaving Temple, Texas, headed to Pensacola, Florida, and then to Tampa for the weekend, and then a whole bunch of other places after that. So, stay tuned. We ready? Yeah. Here we go. Gas stop number 1. I definitely did not get no sleep last night, I can tell you that. And I'm cold. Cold, hungry. See what this guy over here got going on. Got one getting gas there. Other one over there. I know he's cold, but he ain't got shit on. He at least got a couple layers on. How you doing? Alright. Gosh, whose idea was this? That's what I want to know. Whose idea was this? But we just got started now. That's because I didn't get no sleep last night. But we on the road, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all. I'm tired. I did not get no sleep last night. I'm about to drink this cappuccino home and then go get me a Dr. Pepper because I need all of that in my life. We are almost to Louisiana. Hit that border. We're probably about, I don't know, damn near there, but I'm just glad it's daylight outside because leaving at 4 o'clock in the morning, that's red eye idea. Somebody never meets a stranger. He talked about me, but I'm talking about him. We are in Lafayette, Louisiana. Thought we were going to get some churches, but they want to only be drive-through only. I mean, we could hop on the bikes and go to the drive-through, but that's just like too much. Anyways, we are still trucking, getting on down this road. Stay dry so far. Fingers crossed. Stays that way. Y'all want an update? Do you even care? Yo, we have been in the rain for since the last gas stop. When we left the gas stop, we got on the road. It freaking started raining. What's up, folks? So, yep, the bikes are all loaded up. Well, mine is. I'm waiting on everybody else to get theirs loaded up. We are getting ready to head to Tampa. That's our final destination for this weekend. And then from there, we are going to head up and then back down. But right now, we're about to go play in some rain. But this weather does not want to let us be great. We have made it through the storm, and now we are taking off all of this extra gear so we can go in and get a bite to eat.
But we might be good because
we got to eat and get on this road because we have been outrunning the storm and we want to keep it behind us because we have rode through it. And Lord, I'm sick of the rain. I am sick of the rain. All right. Food.
I was like, oh, we finna get jumped by the weather. Saturday riding. Now this motherfucking weather got us ready to put that bitch on somebody's transport service.
that's what we went through.
Oh, wait.
We good then.
Let me see. That's what we went through?
All that.
Oh.
Hold on. We ain't getting out.
I can't because the windows.
Don't worry. Let's get that. That's what we went through. And guess what? It looked like that over here when we went through Louisiana yesterday. Yeah. It's no big rush. I ain't going nowhere. I'm stuck. We made it. We fucking made it, y'all.
I don't know, 85, 90. I mean,
No, it wasn't possible from our way.
there's a
Y'all
camera
had
right
it
here
good.
watching us.
Everybody else had it good. That's why I said I hope some of you motherfuckers catch what we caught. Because you go look, you see a tropical depression. We rolled through that motherfucker.
Oh.
Shit.
And then the highway was shut down. And it rerouted the entire fucking highway.
All you motherfuckers catch some real weather. Y'all didn't catch shit. Y'all didn't catch shit. What's up?
I was annoying all day yesterday. We pretty much.
It ain't got nothing to do with planning, bro. Because when you wake up, it's raining, and you go to sleep, it's raining. Ain't no planning involved in that. That's what we're talking about planning. You can't plan that shit, bro.
No, because the storm pushed up on the golf.
Hey, guess what we was riding at?
The golf.
I-10.
Yeah.
See, the whole golf, all the golf states. What's up?
Hey, I10 again, huh?
That motherfucker said plan.
Yeah.
When we went to sleep, it was raining. When we woke up, I looked out that window like, please. Oh, no, bro.
That was it. It wasn't that bad.
We had so much rain that every one of us had rain suits on, and every one of us was soaking wet.
Oh, we had to take ours off. I was dying.
Yeah.
Oh, we did that with traffic.
We took it off when we got traffic, but I'm talking about feet, legs, pants, crotch,
It was
everything.
like the Dallas trip.
My mama talking about, maybe you just need a new rain suit.
Good.
I almost called my mama her name. Man, you ain't no new rain suit.
Good. You need it. It's good training.
Who needs it? If anybody needs some training on the bike, it's you.
Hey, you were pulling that.
Any day, motherfucker. 1,100 miles?
That's too much. I was turning around your own.
Hey, it couldn't.
Oh,
Hey,
that's all.
if we could turn around and the rain stop on the way home, I'd be at the house right now.
That storm. No,
But you gonna turn around and get soaked the whole way anyway?
that storm was pushing right off the ball. When y'all were.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The last 2 hours we got luck.
So pretty much
We
it pushed
rolled.
up, and then the breeze came through and sent it up this way while we were coming this way.
Hey, there was a tornado that went through Pensacola the day before we got there. Okay?
That all night.
Bro, I didn't lost well. A couple speaker grill that came off. A plasma rod on that side don't even work no more. Right. The struggle. Hey, Savage, I told 250, me 250 Foxy actually already agreed. If we get rained on like we got rained on the way to Atlanta, in Tennessee, when we leave Tennessee, we're going to Texas.
Oh, you will get rain on the Niagara Falls.
That's okay. We can right now while we're there.
We've already took our 3-person vote. We're not going further up north.
I got a whole
We're
group
gonna
of falls. So you gonna try? Yeah.
That shit was the worst, man. Hey, we all trying to stay positive in the helmet and shit.
Well, at least we made it safe.
Yeah, you couldn't talk to nobody. Should have got the other center.
I was just watching y'all fight.
You already know that's going to
Hey, right out of the mic,
Huh?
you see him go,
Yo, that motherfucker.
What?
Look
Oh,
at
see,
that.
He said,
see, when you
he
see
didn't
me
have a
doing
headset,
that,
so he was
that's
watching
you.
us fight the whole time.
oh, no, that's all your head. Because I know your mannerisms. Because you're like,
Because the only time I was actually mad at her while I hung up on her was
and I
2
saw
hours
that
ago
you,
back
you,
then.
you, right, you
The
said,
rest of the ride, I was like, all right, she say whatever she wants, it doesn't matter. But then I was like,
he's like, nah, I'm done.
you're disconnected.
I mean, I couldn't just pop back in, but you know, I was
Most of
like,
the time it's because she don't use descriptive words. So she like, look at this.
They're right here from they're right here to Atlanta.
I get a descriptive word, like, look to the right. How long y'all been in?
About an hour and a half.
Read that. You do know who answers, right?
that's a lot.